The word rizq has been repeated in the Quran more than 128 times. So it's a very, very important and big topic. It's what comes to people's mind all the time. My provision, my sustenance, my money, my income, all of that, rizq. And it's what people usually think about. I've got to chase rizq, I've got to chase the money, I've got a pursuit for my livelihood. So basically livelihood. So today we're going to talk about pursuit of your rizq and how it is written for you already, and the Muslim's position and how we deal with interacting with future fears. Will I get a job? Will I get married or not? Are my children going to be good? Will I have enough money? Am I going to have a house? Will Allah give me children? How will my health be? And I begin by saying that human beings in general, their worries and anxieties revolve around two matters. What are these two matters? The human being. All our fears and worries and anxieties revolve around two matters. Everything around them, what are they? They are death. We're always knowing that our time's running out, we're going to die. Those worries and anxiety of the future, death. And number two, our health and wealth. Will I have enough money? Will I be healthy enough?